Hi, Pat here. I got a Pioneer SX 9000 stereo receiver. I started this project a long time ago. In fact, I did 4 videos on it, part 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I never finished it because I lost the channel and I couldn't figure it out. But it turned out to be one lousy solder joint that killed one channel. Well, I got that fixed, and I'm just going to give a quick review of what I've done in this. Here's the top side of the stereo. This is the multiplex board. I did change out all the electrolytics in that. Right in there is the color tone board. I changed all the caps and the transistors in that one. And this little board right down here, it's the FM muting. I just changed the caps in that one. And the tuner boards I didn't touch. Here's the bottom side of the stereo. It's the head amp for the phonograph. All the caps and transistors and that was changed. It's a microphone amp right there. All the caps and transistors were changed in that one. This right here is the reverb amp. And all the caps and transistors were changed in that one. It's the main amp board there. All the transistors and caps are replaced in that one, along with the power supply right here. That was all changed, and I added a couple of heat sinks in those. I felt they were getting a little warmer than I liked. And the control amp there. Once again, all the caps and transistors changed. This pod here is for the reverb. And right there I broke the tab off. And I thought I could just solder a wire to it. But nope, turns out to be some kind of carbon material and I couldn't solder it to it. So I got a little nut and screw and this little piece of sheet metal in there making contact. Get that to work. And all these big caps over here, I basically stuck to the same size that came out. And to get them to fit in, I went to the plumbing section of the hardware store. I just found these fittings. I had to cut them, modify them a little bit, but they all fit in there nice and tight and ain't loose. I did change out just about every transistor in the stereo. If you could read my handwriting here. And it is a long list. I did get all my information from Audio Karma, so that's why I came up with the substitutions. I got it back in its wood case, and I did change the veneer. As you see, I couldn't quite match the color. And not the greatest work in the seams, but what do I know? I don't know much about woodworking. May try adding a couple more coats, see if I get that a little darker. I got my test equipment hooked up. Got my dummy loads back there. A couple meters in AC to read the output of it. And I'm putting 160 millivolts in. And let me start turning the volume up all the way. And right there it's starting to clip. So about right there. And I'm only getting 17 volts across my meter here. To get 50 watts I expected 20 volts. 17 volts, probably close to 38 watts per channel, and it's clipping. So that really ain't right. I still have a sine wave going through it. And watch what happens when I turn the microphone controls on. That I really don't understand. I got a square wave going through it. Not too bad of a looking square wave. But let me turn the tone color control. That's the bass. It's the vivid. And to soft. So it's a little different. Yeah, let me try the reverb. It's reverb on. And it does get a little jumpy around here. Ain't too sure what's going on there. I got some speakers hooked up. And I got tape going now. And it does sound okay. Yeah, from my work. Stereo light won't come on. But I discovered that was burnt out. But the meters work. But all in all, so far I call this thing a fail. I'm going to have to get back into it, see if I get the power to go up to 50 watts without clipping, and try again. You win some and you lose some. Thanks for watching the video.